Heyo boss, and welcome back. Today we have an awesome breakfast for you. Very simple, delicious, and we think you're going to really enjoy it. These are Nutella French toast sticks. Now we've done French toast sticks before, but these have a little kick that we think you're going to really enjoy. Without further ado, let's get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and pick up some bread and cut all the crust off. And if you can find smaller or thinner pieces of bread, do that. When all the crust is off, just use a small rolling pin to just roll down the bread even further. You want these thin. Once that's all set, just go ahead and cut these in half, which will be the perfect formation for the sticks. And now Chef's going to go ahead and add his hazelnut chocolate or Nutella, because that was a free shout out. They'll never see this, but whatever. And of course, place the other piece on top and just keep right on going. So Chef has everything set to go. He has a little bit of egg wash there. His frying pan, it's on medium heat, and we're going to start. So the first thing to do is, just like French toast, dip these in your egg wash, a little bit of eggs and just a little bit of milk, and then medium heat. Once the butter's melted down, put those right on. A few minutes, and then just go ahead and check them with a fork. When you flip them over and you can see they're browned, just go ahead and flip them all. Medium heat, and always remember to watch these or else they will burn. So just like French toast, pretty simple. And then of course when you're done, if you want to dip these in some cinnamon sugar or just sprinkle them, it's really dependent on how much you love cinnamon sugar, you can do that. And you can also leave some plain as well, it's totally up to you. And then of course if you have some homemade maple syrup, Chef's using his New York pure maple syrup. And there you have it. So Chef thought this was a great kind of fun, unique breakfast. We haven't done a breakfast in a while. French toast sticks are popular, but the French toast Nutella sticks were really enjoyable. We had some plain, we had some with cinnamon sugar, and either way, this makes out for a fun breakfast that we think you'll love. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks everyone for joining us. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.